Oh shit, we are back. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm back. Woody is in Punta Cana drinking pina coladas on the beach. I would like you to do one thing in this world that's only free is subscribe to my page. I'm working my way to 1,000 and I need your help. Hit that button, help me out. But today, we're going for the sweep, baby. We're 3.5 games behind the Mets. Let's go rooting our fightings, baby. Let's go Phillies. Let's have a day. We are in, baby. Got my board shorts. Woody, you can use these in Punta Cana next time, but you went the wrong time, buddy. So, let's get up to 209 and have a day, baby. A little late. My apologies. Had a little snag up in security. People were getting pulled left and right. But that's the end of the first inning. Nothing, baby. Let's go. Base it. Double. Get two. Oh, shit. We're starting off right, baby. Double by Trey. Happy Father's Day for you, buddy. An Emmy winner with the captain. Love it. Let's go. Down. Yes. Come on, Trey. Score. Oh, baby. 1-0 Phillies. And a big shout out to all the fathers out there, or as me and Woody call them, fucking trophies. Have a day. Enjoy your Father's Day, y'all. Solid inning by Wheels, baby. Dealing today. Dealing. All right, let's go. How we doing today? Over. We've had this one before. 22. 20. Over. Under. 142. Well, we're going home even money. Not a loser. All right. What are we doing here? 2. 1, 3. 2. Crowd says 2. There we go. We're a winner. Wheeler is through 3. Very unscathed. Through. Safe. Otto Kemp, baby. Oh, baby, you're turning out to be a good player here. Oh, he's in there. He's in there. Hey, Otto Kemp with his stolen base. I feel like they're going to review it, though. Oh, it's going to stand. They are not going to review it. All right, Trey, there he is. Let's bring him in. Emmy Award-winning Trey Turner. There it is. Right at him. That's fine. Intentionally walk Kyle Schwarber. Boom, he's on a heater right now. RBI machine right now. Let's go. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Come on, man. 3-2. Keep that bat high. Keep it high. Down. Yes. Yeah! 2-0. Good guys, baby. Boom. Bat is high. Let's go! RBI! That'll be 3. Hey, 2-0 good, guys. Let's keep it rolling, baby. Keep it rolling. Phillies are hot right now. And fuck the Mets. The Phillies are rolling right now. Let's try some Manco and Manco, but not from the Manco and Manco spot. We're up here in 322. Let's see how it tastes outside of Ashburn Alley. And we've got it here in 322. Manco and Manco cheese pizza. They got their traditional ovens out in Ashburn Alley. Now let's see how it tastes up here. Give it a shot. And there it is. That does look like a solid pie. Feels like it's got some good crisp on it. Set up here outside of the hidden gem. Not so hidden anymore because I feel like people really know what this place is all about, High and Inside Pub. But here's a slice. Good undercarriage. That's a solid fucking ballpark pie. Good crisp. Your boy's gonna do it. He's gonna get it. Everybody, it's just as good as Ashburn Alley. Over there in 322. Get it. Yup, we're gonna go with the margarita. It feels like summer, I guess. It's like 60 degrees out. 60 degrees in Philly. It's margarita time. It's summer, I guess. It should be 80. Legendary shirt right there. Love it.
Have a day with Slice. Have a day with fucking Slice.
Damn right, we're having a day, baby. We've got our bling drink, margarita this time. Let's see how it tastes. Oh shit. If you're a fan of summer and a fan of bling, this is gonna be a definitely get it. Margaritas in the bling drink at a Phillies game. Get it, enjoy the atmosphere. Get a souvenir. Have a day. Through, yeah! Come on, send them! Come on! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, baby! 4-0, good! Guys, let's fucking go! Otto Kemp, he's just not hitting homers like he did in AAA, but it's fine. He's hitting ribbies, he's hitting singles, he's getting on base, he's stealing. Love it. Let's go Phillies. Good. Otto Kemp, another stolen base. Show it. Or just do it on that. They're not going to show it. They're going to rob me of this. Oh, I think he's in. Very close, but it's got to be definite that he's out. How do you say he's out? He was 100% in. It's bullshit. Oh, they sent it to Toronto Judge. DJ Smooth. Getting the crowd rolled up here. Now. Go, big Schwarber! Oh! Go! 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 Home run! Alec Bohm hit a Bohmer homer, baby! Running around the bases! Let's go! Catch. Hell of a catch. I hope you're okay. Shit. Never want to see that. Oh, shit. Oh, come on, man. Get up. Don't ever want to see that. Looks like he's staying in the game. Good. Applaud that. Tough man. I'll tell you what. Ain't no way in hell am I going to try to make that catch. Nah. We're going to let that hit off the wall. I'm going to keep making my millions. We haven't done this before on my channel, so let's see who's going to win the race. Ooh. Your boy's going to go red. We're going red. red, baby. The red team for the win. Oh, through. There we go. That's a single. Oh, JT with a single. This could be a 2-out rally. Get some more runs. They have to keep this pattern for one more time. Yeah, right to stop. Put my head up and out of space. Ayo, ayo, okay. Ayo, ayo, okay. Oh! Hell of an at-bat though, bud. Hell of an at-bat. Oh, baby.
In the pitch.
Liner out there again. Roden going back out to the track. He's not going to get this one. Into the flower bed. Grand slam, Castellanos.
The Phillies are rolling, baby.
Have a fucking day, guys.
We're having a day.
Castellanos. Have a fucking day,
Have a fucking day, Cassie. Have a fucking day, Cassie. We're winning, baby. Fuck the Mets.
Oh, sweet. Oh.
Awesome job, man. Awesome job. Way to kill it.
The beautiful
Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I ever get back. 'Cause it's root for the Phillies. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes. You're out at the old ball. Let's go Phillies! We're winning this game. Ain't no shot Wheeler's getting a loss. Stay hot! Stay hot, Otto Kemp, baby! Base hit! Honestly, until Bryce comes back, I don't know how you send this guy down. He's a base hit machine. Eventually, he's gonna hit fucking bombs like he did in AAA. Dude was fucking mashing out there in Lehigh Valley. Now let's keep it rolling, baby. Fuck Canada. Trouble, trouble! Hey, hey! Marsh staying hot. First, second. Safe! Oh! Trey Turner running it out. Bases fucking loaded. Oh no! Oh no, Toronto! The Phillies are hot again. Fuck the Mets. Oh! You can't walk him this time, dickhead! You can't walk him! Oh! Get through! Score 1! Hey, hey! Got one back, baby. 11-4. Fight! Oh, walked him! Bases loaded again. Oh, only the guy could have hit a grand slam blast at that. What can happen this time? No way. Not quite enough. But the Phillies are fucking dealing, baby. Dealing! And let's check that Mets score. A series, Mets score. The Mets are losing 6-0. Fuck the Mets. Alright.
No worries. We have you covered.
Going 41,200.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Way off.
this afternoon's favorite
Way off. Woody's favorite camera, the fuck trophy cam. And that's the ball game! Hey, yo! Ring the bell, baby! Sweep of Toronto, and guess what? As of right now, Mets score. They're losing, bitch. Fuck the Mets. Look, so look around. Once there was a silly old ant, thought he'd move a rubber tree plant. Anyone knows an ant can't move a rubber tree plant, but he had high hopes. He had high hopes. He had high apple pie in the sky hopes. So when they're starting feeling low, starting letting go, just remember that it. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree. Whoops, there goes another rubber tree plant. Love you, Harry! All right, here's the end of the video. Out here at Xfinity Live, Phillies win 11-4. You know what? We got my boy from Delaware here. How we doing, buddy? Yo, guess what?
The Blue Jays, last time they won anything like the World Series, I was only 2 months old. I didn't like their opponent that year, obviously, because they faced us, but
fuck Joe Carter. Either way. Guess
Toronto, you're a loser since I was 2 months old.
Guess what happened to the Mets today?
Oh, they lost, swept out by the Rays.
9-0 today, baby.
And on top of that, you see what happened with the Braves? They lost to the Rockies.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, like 10-1. Oh, boy.
Man, it must suck to be those fans. You know what? The Phillies are rolling right now.
Yep.
And we're having a day.
Yep.
You getting back to Delaware?
Yeah, I'm going to take the train back shortly, but I got another thing for you as well.
What you got?
In the NHL, no team won it all since the year I was born. So the Canadians won it in June of 1993. Okay. I came along 2 months later. So
Canada still sucks.
Canada's been sucking since I was just entered the world.
Exactly. Canada will never win again.
Yep. Never
you came in, you said, fuck you, Canada.
Pretty much.
Good to see you, brother.
Yep.
See you next game. You here on next Sunday?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
All
Sunday night baseball against the Mets. Any Mets
fuck
fans?
The Mets. Fuck the Mets.
Yeah, any Mets fans that come to our stadium, well, you're going to be getting it from me. I might be there Saturday for Operation Keep all those jerk-off Mets fans out of our ballpark. Let's do it.
Baby. Get home safe, brother.
Yeah, you got to try to come Saturday, too.
I got work, man. I work Saturday night.
All right, well, definitely. Sunday night baseball.
Hope you had a day with me. Yo, she's on TV today.
Hi.
Say, have a day with Slice.
Have a day with Slice.
See you next time.